Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. New York is named after the city of York in England. York's original name was Eboracum. In 1996, two neighbors in Devon, England spent a year hooting at owls, unaware that they were actually hooting at each other. A warrior is worthless unless he rises above others and stands in the midst of a storm. The Danish language has no word for please. Don't take criticism from someone you would not take advice from. The name sandwich comes from an 18th century aristocrat called the 4th Earl of Sandwich. The shortest street in the world can be found in Scotland. The street is called Ebenezer Place and is 6 feet 9 inches long. He who sweats more in training bleeds less in war. Damage Control is a drinking game where two friends swap phones and drunkenly text something crazy to anyone in others' contacts, then scramble to fix their damaged relationships. Mustard is often well tolerated by individuals with acid reflux and may even help alleviate symptoms of some due to its alkaline nature. Mom adds a sandbox to his son's grave so his older brother could spend time with him. A rare snow leopard roaming Mount Pumori at 18,000 feet. Vaping could increase heart failure by 19%, said study. Birds can see colors that humans can't even imagine. They can actually see an entire extended spectrum and different dimensions of hues. How perfectly these salt flats in Bolivia reflect the sunset after a rain. Teen girls that have a negative view of themselves are 4 times more likely to take part in activities with boys that they have ended up regretting later. The best proof of love is trust. Bad breath is caused by sulfur-producing bacteria in the tongue and throat. Gently use a soft toothbrush to remove the white film on your tongue effectively. To mix tattoo color in certain cultures, urine was occasionally used. According to a survey, more women than men in the US have tattoos. Consuming cloves at night will help relieve stomach problems like constipation, acidity, diarrhea. In addition, the digestive system also works properly. The swastika meant very positive things before Hitler got a hold of it. Caffeine boosts the power of aspirin and other painkillers, which is why it's found in some medicines. The Silbo language of La Gomera off the coast of Spain consists entirely of whistles. Switzerland woman has created the Guinness World Record for the largest wearable cake dress that weighed 131.15 kg. There is a language in Mexico that is in danger of dying out because the remaining 2 speakers refuse to talk to one another. 1 in every 9 Indians will develop cancer in their lifetime, while 1/4 population is now overweight. There are over 200 artificial languages that have been invented for books, television, and movies. How long you should nap for? Want to cut down on snacking in the evening? Try brushing your teeth Shortly after dinner, this will act as a deterrent, and your laziness to brush your teeth again will outweigh your desire to snack. In 2007, the toy manufacturer Aquadots discovered that some of its Chinese-made Beat It toys were mistakenly coated with a chemical that, when metabolized, turned into the drug GHB. The jewel wasp injects a drug into a cockroach's brain, turns it into a zombie, rides it like a horseback to its burrow, and then lets its hatched larvae feed on the cockroach's body from the inside. In ancient Hawaii, men and women ate meals separately, and women were not allowed to eat certain foods. King Kamehameha II removed all the religious laws and performed a symbolic act by eating with the women in 1819. This is when the luau parties were first created. Are you eating pesticides or vegetables? Researchers have found 8 vegetables and fruits with heavy pesticides and toxins. Spinach, cabbage, strawberries, apple, bell peppers or capsicum, cherry, blueberry, green beans, soak your fruits or veggies in baking soda and salt for 5 to 10 minutes in hot water, and drain the water and wash it again with cold water. You are good to go. Thanks for watching.